I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Teams and click the Share Content button to start a whiteboard session. Select Microsoft Whiteboard from the app list and wait for the canvas to load for everyone. If you start from a meeting, the board appears inside the meeting window for participants. Invite collaborators by clicking Invite and paste email addresses or meeting links in the dialog. You can also copy the board link and paste it in chat for quick access. The board saves automatically to your organization's cloud storage for later reuse. Use the pen, highlighter, and eraser tools along the top toolbar for freehand work. Choose pen colors and stroke thickness to emphasize ideas and diagrams visually. Use the lasso selection to move multiple items and the undo button for mistakes and quick fixes. Add sticky notes, text boxes, and shapes from the Insert menu for structure and rapid brainstorming. Use the ruler and protractor features for aligned lines and precise angles when drawing diagrams. Limit visual clutter by grouping items and using one color per topic area. Boards autosave to your Microsoft account and appear in the Whiteboard app history for easy retrieval. Set viewer or editor permissions before sharing the link to control access for collaborators and guests. Export important boards as a PNG by choosing Export from the board menu and selecting one click to download. Copy the board link to a Teams chat or calendar invite to give everyone direct access instantly. Archive final boards in a dedicated folder in OneDrive or SharePoint for version tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.